Hello and welcome to Minute Training with Impact Realty Tampa Bay. Today we're going to take a quick minute to learn how to set up for an open house. Before viewing this video on setting up an open house, it may be beneficial to first watch our video on how to prepare yourself the week beforehand. When setting up for an open house, the first thing you must do is 1 day beforehand. If the home is occupied, you need to contact the homeowner at least 24 hours ahead of time to remind them to remove all valuables from the home or at least place them in a secure location. Around this time, it is also beneficial to invite your affiliate partners if possible. Next, the day of the open house itself, you must arrive at least 45 minutes prior to the open house. Be sure to park in the street if possible, never park in the driveway. Next, place directional signs in locations leading to the home as well as up in front of the house to make sure you are guiding people to the right location. Turn on all lights in the house to make sure all interior doors are open. At this time, it is also beneficial to double check and ensure that all valuables are in a secure location if the home is occupied. Next, place your sign-in sheet and ensure that all members of the public sign in as soon as they come in. This is a great practice for lead generation and for safety. The next step is to tidy up the home if it needs to be, and make sure you place any last touches or decorations if you brought any. Also, be sure to make note of any items that need attention. For example, broken windows or other items that need to be cleaned. Make sure you notify the homeowner, or if it is not your listing, the listing agent immediately after the open house. That was Minute Training with Impact Realty Tampa Bay. Go to impactrealtyinfo.com for more business help.